Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Epic Sedu Club. I hope everyone is doing fine. So friends, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. In this video, we are going to discuss how custom authorities does the valuation of imported goods. So for custom valuation, there are basically 6 methods which are generally used by the custom authorities. In this video, we will learn about those 6 methods. So now let's start this with a quick definition of the custom valuation. So the custom valuation is a process where custom authorities determine the exact or correct value of imported items. Why they calculate the exact or correct value? Because they have to impose the import duty and the VAT or the GST. So as I said, there are 6 methods which you can see on the screen. So from where these 6 methods came? These 6 methods came from the World Trade Organization. The WTO had suggested these 6 methods. And as you can see all those 6 methods on the screen, so please do not confuse between the transactional value of identical goods and transactional value of the similar goods. They both are the different things. So let's discuss these things in detail. So the first one is transactional value. So this method is one which is widely used. This is widely used method and the basic method this is. This method says that whatever is the actual price paid or whatever is the actual price payable for that imported goods by the importer. So custom will accept that price and they will calculate the duty over that price. So this is the basic one, means what the importer has to pay for the that particular good or the price is payable for that particular good. So that is one of the basic method which is used. So custom will use the next 5 method only when this transactional value method is not clear or the custom is not satisfied with that transactional value price, or if there is transactional value is not mentioned on the invoice or commercial invoice. So the next one is transactional value of identical goods. In this methods, custom try to find the exact same item price in previous shipments which were exported from the same exporting country. Let's understand this with an example. So company A has imported an Apple phone. Company A has exported an Apple phone to company B from USA to Japan. Now if customs are not satisfied with the price mentioned, then they will check that what was the Apple phone price which were earlier imported in Japan from USA only. So this is transactional value of identical goods. Now the next one is transactional value of similar goods. In this method, custom try to reach at a valuation where products are similar but not identical. It means for an example, like it could be an Apple phone but of different models. Okay, so this is the basic difference. Here in the transactional value of identical goods, the product should be exact same, and in the transactional value of similar products, it could be changed, like the brand or the different models of the same brands it could be. Now the next one is the deductive method. In this deductive method, custom determine the price on basis of sale price of similar product in that same importing country, and they reduce any expenses like transportation and insurance from that. So if company B, for an example, let's understand this. So if company B imported a bucket in Japan and the bucket cost is 10, in Japan, then the custom will determine the product value 10 minus the transportation cost or any other expense incurred during the import. So this is deductive method. Now computed method. So I have clearly written the computed method. So custom will calculate the price or determine the product value with the help, they will calculate the cost of raw material plus general expense plus profit margin plus any other expense. So from all those 4-5 segments, the custom will reach to a final price, and on that price the custom will charge the import duty and the other relevant taxes. So the next one is fallback method. This method says any reasonable mean. What that? Any reasonable mean. In this method, custom could use any reasonable mean to determine the product value. Any reasonable means, which could be mean anything, like previous price list or previous commercial invoices for the similar product, or any of the 4-5 methods they have used, which is mentioned here. So these are the 6 methods which custom authorities generally use to determine the actual price of the product, or it is said as custom valuations. So I hope you have got all those 6 methods. So why this valuation is important? Because if the product is overvalued, the importer has to pay the higher charges, and if it is undervalued, then it may lead to the penalties. So this is all in this video. I hope you will like the video. So to know much deep details of logistic and supply chain, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you are in the video if you have liked the video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.